Hello friends, myself Chandra and welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. So today we discussed one more indicator which is freely available in Tradingview, and it's a 5-minute bank nifty chart, and we check backtest this indicator for Jan 2024 and what are the results. And it's a very unique indicator you can use for a scalping, you can use for a swing trading, you can use for day trading. You, if you are a long term trader, so you can take trades or swing or positional tradings for any market, for stocks, for commodities, for index, for forex, cryptocurrencies, any market. And uh, this video is only for scalping because many traders use scalping, and you need to change the settings as per your need. So, and it's better than super trend because in super trend you get some little momentum in happen, so signals are changed, so there is a very false signals. But in this indicator, double confirmation, and it's a AI based indicator, so you get very good results. So first you open 5-minute bank nifty chart and go to indicators and you search double AI super trend strategy present trading. You can watch earlier video AI super trend trading strategy, that is a single AI based indicator and it's a double AI. So we check that in this you need to change some setting. So first you need to, there is a select direction both because we go for buy and sell both. AI setting you select 1 and 10. AI2 setting it's 2 and 10. AI trend it should be price trend 20 and prediction trend is 40. Second price trend 25. Second price prediction trend is 40. AI trend signal should be disabled. Super trend setting you can check with different moving average, but in our testing we get that VWM is volume weighted moving average is very good, so we select that. You go for length 5, factor 3, second length 3, and factor 1.5 because it's a two super trend that is included, so there is a two settings for all. And then go to styles, you need to volume super AI, everything is fine. What are you need to change, disable that. Trade on charts you need to disable, that's it, that is the setting. You can, if you skip this any video or setting, so you again check by go back to video and play, and you save the settings and you test this. So now setting is clear, and if you change the color, so you go for color, you select your color as per your choice. Like there is a bullish color blue, bearish color purple, and neutral color is blue. Neutral means the market is sideways. So what is the strategy? First, whenever, if you check that whenever there is a two green lines is come to green, means your super trend color both lines should be green. So here first line is green, second is here. So you need to buy above this candle, and always price should be above the both super trends because there is a green line and candle above the both lines. So we go for a buy trade, and in buy trade we go for a long. And what are your stop loss? Your stop loss always below the super trend, below the second super trend, below the super trend. And your risk reward is 1 to 1, minimum 1 to 1 is your risk reward. So that is your 1 to 1 risk reward. So if you check that our target is successful in the 1st of Jan, then again market is come down below this green super trend, and super trend color is changed to purple, and both are changed to purple. So we go for a sell position So there is a purple, both are purple is happened in this candle, so we go for the below of this candle sell. And what is your stop loss? Above the super trend. Target is 1 to 1. Your target minimum 1 to 1, or you can trail this as per your need. So that is the risk reward is 1 to 1. And we go further. What is happening that in this case? Still not hit. Now if you check that our target is happened, again you need to wait. If market is go in this range, means in purple lines in both super trend lines between, so we wait for go for upside of super trend or go for downside, but in this case it is go upside. So we wait that both color should be changed to green. So now green is color is changed, so we go for a buy in this candle. Color is changed, but price is not broken the high of this candle, so we not go for a buy. We wait for color to be changed, because if you check that prices come below the line both super trend, but one is green, one is purple, so there is no confirmation. We not go for a sell or buy trade. We wait either this green line change to purple, or this purple line should be changed to super trend line to green. Like in here the both lines is green and candle is closed, so we go for a buy trade for uptrend of the candle. So in this candle green is happened, so our entry level is, and our what is our stop loss below the super trend line, and our target is 1 to 1. So check that again the target is happened, those three trades are win. Now second scenario, if you want the hold the trade, so you can go with the market continue and follow the super trend by the using your stop loss trailing method. Now again market is moving, there is no color. Now again if you check, this one signal is come, like market is come to between the both super trend, and this is purple and this is line is green, so we wait for this purple to change to green. Like here the green is started, so now our buy is again triggered, so we go for a long position above this green candle. Now if you check that target is done, again we wait that again color is changed to purple, both super red line changed to purple, so we go for a sell trade, because one purple line and second is happened here, so both is purple, so we go for a sell trade below this line. And we switch the first, we change our stop loss and target. It's above the super trend, and our target is minimum 1 to 1. So our target is 1 to 1. Now this trade is also successful. Again we wait. Now if you check that market is go above the super trend, but we not enter in this trade because still the color is not green. Now green is happened, our buy trade should be this candle's high, but high is not broken, so we not enter in a buy position. Now again go for the, now again if you check that super trend color is changed to purple and both super trend color is purple in this candle, so we go for a sell trade and we change the stop loss above the super trend and target is 1 to 1. Now if you check that, again target is done. Again, if market is come to between these lines, between super trend lines, in this line, so we go for sell trade again if prices again come down. So this is our one more sell entry below this candle. Now if you check that, again the target is happened, because in other super trend, if the prices go above the super trend line, like in this case, so super trend change signal to buy, but in this case signal are not changed. If you check that, purple is continue, so that is the reason it is a double AI super trend, and it's a very good indicator if you use that. Again we wait. Now if you check that, purple prices above the purple, so we go for a, once both line is green, we go for a buy trade above this candle and stop loss is below this line and target is 1 to 1. Now target is happening. Now again price stuck in between the super trend line, so we not enter any trade. We only wait for price should be above the super trend lines. Like if you check that, again purple color is started and market below both super trend, so we go for a sell trade below this candle and target is above super trend and risk is 1 to 1. Now again the target is hit. Now one scenario is here that market is broken this super trend, correct, and we go for a sell, but down is low of the candle is not broken, so we not enter in this trade and we wait. Now the green is again started, so we go for a buy trade above the candle of high, so this is our buy trade. Now if you check that, again target is hit. Again market is stuck in this range, again the green is started, but if you check that, market is not broken the high of this candle, this red candle's high is not broken, so we not enter in trade. Again the market is come down, we enter in this short trade and we go for a short trade because both are come. If you check that, here green candle is come, but the low of this candle is not touched, so we not enter in trade. Again market is go above this both super trend, so we go for a buy trade long position above the candle of high, both lines, stop loss is below super trend, your target is 1 to 1. So now currently the stop loss or not, but market is closed, maybe we check on Monday. So that's a overall indicator. Hope you understood the indicators, and it's very good. If you check, all the trades are successful, more than 100% accuracy in this backtest in the last 1 month, in Jan month. Thank you so much guys. Hope you have any query about this indicator, so you can connect on Telegram at Trading Robot. You can also follow us in our YouTube channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or you can download our application from Play Store at Anytime Money Learn to Earn. Thank you so much guys. Good day. Happy trading.